In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order your ClickUp tasks alphabetically, custom fields, or randomly. If you've ever opened a ClickUp list and felt overwhelmed by the chaos, this walkthrough will help you bring instant order to your boards. By the end, you'll know how to switch to the board view, open the sorting menu, and arrange tasks by name in alphabetical order, apply descending order, sort by priority, and use the same approach for your custom fields. This is a simple set of actions that makes a big impact on clarity and speed, especially when your workspace is full of tasks, assignees, and details. First, sign into your ClickUp account the way you normally do. Once you're in, head over to Your Spaces. This is where your different teams, projects, or areas of work live. The idea is to get to the location where the tasks you want to sort are stored. Open the space that contains the tasks you'll be working with. For today's example, imagine you're working on a project like a construction rollout or any structured initiative. The specific project doesn't matter. What matters is that you're inside the correct space and looking at the tasks you want to organize. Now look to the top of your page. We're going to switch the way tasks are displayed so sorting is easier to visualize. Click on Board. This changes your view to a Kanban-style layout where tasks appear as cards arranged in columns. Many people find this view especially helpful for organization because it makes it easy to see progress and categories at a glance. With your board view open, we're ready to sort. Move your attention to the top right of the page. You're looking for the sorting controls. Depending on your setup or the interface version you're seeing, this may appear as a set of up and down arrows or a sort icon. Click it to open the sorting menu. A menu will pop up with the available fields you can sort by. To arrange your tasks alphabetically by their names, select Task Name. This is the most direct way to get a clean A to Z layout of everything on your board. After choosing Task Name, you'll see options to control the direction of the order. If you want your tasks listed from A to Z, choose Ascending. If you'd prefer to see tasks from Z to A, choose Descending. Picking Descending is handy when your naming scheme puts the most recent or most relevant tasks near the end of the alphabet, or when you want to quickly invert your view for a different perspective. You can also sort by priority from this same menu. If your team relies on priority flags to highlight urgent work, choosing priority puts high importance tasks at the top where you can't miss them. This is especially useful during daily stand-ups or when you're triaging a large volume of incoming work. Now, let's talk about custom fields. If you've created custom fields, maybe a client name, department, location, or any other label, you can sort by those just like you sort by task name. Open the same sorting menu in the top right, then choose the custom field you care about. If it's a text-based field, ClickUp will order it alphabetically, and you can apply ascending or descending just as you did with task name. This is a great way to group and scan work the way your team actually thinks about it, whether that's by customer, region, or any other attribute you've defined. A few tips will help you get consistently clean alphabetical results. First, be mindful of how tasks are named. Leading spaces, special characters, or numbers at the start of a name will affect where they show up in the list. If consistency matters, agree on a naming format with your team, such as starting every task with a clear noun, then a dash, and then a short description. Also, remember that uppercase and lowercase letters are treated similarly for sorting purposes, but having a consistent style still makes scanning faster. When you sort by priority, make sure your team uses the same definitions for each level. If you've marked too many items as urgent, the priority sort won't help you find true blockers. A quick review of what counts as high, normal, or low priority can dramatically improve how helpful this view becomes. Keep in mind that the board view is highly visual. Sorting will arrange the cards in a clear order, but you can still drag and drop tasks if you need to make quick manual adjustments for a meeting or a presentation. If you do, The sorting control is always there to snap everything back into a consistent order the moment you need it. Using the top right sorting menu is the key action for all of this. Whether you're ordering by task name alphabetically, using descending to flip your view, choosing priority to highlight urgent work, or applying the same approach to any custom field, that single menu gives you fast, reliable control